Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 17th. Now, to get started with math review, you should have the practice problems that you've already completed in front of you. And make sure you have your pencil so that you can go back and correct any mistakes that you've made as we're going over each problem. So to begin, you are asked to subtract fractions that have common denominators. Now, if you haven't completed every single practice problem, pause the video now and make sure you've done that before you come back to the video. Go ahead and check your work. You'll notice that every fraction has common denominators, so you don't have to do any extra work. You're simply subtracting the numerators and keeping the denominators the same. Now we're going to round using a number line. So our original number is 345 and 92 tenths. Our original number is 345 and 92 hundredths. And we're going to round this number to the tenths place. Now, when we're rounding to the nearest tenth, you will always look to the next smallest place value, which is in the hundredths place. And the number in our hundredths place is going to help us decide whether we're going to round up or down. And when rounding, we know that our midpoint is always 5. So if our original number, and we're looking at the hundredths place, is smaller than 5, then we're going to round down. If it is 5 or higher, we're going to round up. So in this case, we're going to round down. And our rounded number is 345 and 9 tenths. The next number you were to round was 1,245,392. So we're using the same method here. This is what your number line should look like. And you should have rounded it to 1,245,000. Next, we have metric conversions. We're going to solve using a table and a number sentence. So again, like we've practiced in previous math review, you are always going to draw a table and create a number sentence. Number 1, part A, 2,000 meters equals 2 kilometers. Part B, 9 kilometers equals 900 meters. 2A, 9,000 milliliters equals 9 liters. 2B, 3 kilograms equals 3,000 grams. 3A, 6 liters equals 6,000 milliliters. 3B, 90 millimeters equals 9 centimeters. Today's math review code is Jordans, like the sneaker. Lowercase Jordans. Again, Jordans. 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 Make sure that they're in all lowercase letters. Now we're going to round 926,096,572 and 73 hundredths. But first, what is the value of the digit in the hundredths place? Here is our hundredths place, and it's in the value, and the digit in the hundredths place is 3. So we have 3 hundredths. That is the value of the digit in the hundredths place. Now you're going to round this number to the nearest tenth. This is what your answer should look like. So Estelle ran 2,230 meters. Part B, on Tuesday, she ran 1,343 meters. How many kilometers did she run? Now you're going to make sure that you had drawn a table just like the one that I did above in order to do your conversions. Estelle ran 1.343 kilometers on Tuesday. Now, part C, in kilometers, how much did Estelle run on Monday and Tuesday? So we knew that Estelle had ran 2.23 kilometers on Monday and 1.343 kilometers on Tuesday. Now we can add those together and we get 3.573 kilometers. So Estelle ran 3.573 kilometers on Monday and Tuesday. Now you're going to head over to Google Classroom to complete your math review exit ticket for your final grade. Have a great Friday, everyone.